Hello and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. This is a reading for the star sign of Aquarius and for the month of October 2020. So feel free to reverse the roles. It might resonate with you or it might not. So this is a general reading, guys. So if this doesn't resonate, see to the sun, moon and rising signs so that that might match with your story and you can get your advice. Okay, let's start with the reading, Aquarius. So first card out is the Queen of Cups. Let's see the past, present and the mutual energy for you guys. We have the Fool and Page of Wands. Then we have the Magician, Ten of Wands and Two of Cups, Justice, Five of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. Overall energy, the Empress. Feeling abundant, feeling good in yourself. The overall energy is your energy here, I can see. So you must be connecting with any water sign, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. The energies are here. Okay, so what I can see from here is Aquarius, the Queen of Cups, the Fool and the Page of Wands. You had a lot of deep feeling for this connection. You started off, but you are not sure about their energy. They are not that involved in this connection as you are, and you know it. Their energy is a Page's energy and you have the Queen of Cups. There is a lot of passion for you, Page of Wands, and you have a lot of love for them. You are manifesting this energy, the Magician. You want to manifest them. Right now you are manifesting this. Mutually you are feeling burdened. Both of you are feeling burdened by this connection. And the Two of Cups and their energy, they think that you are their soulmate, or this is a soulmate connection, but in future this is not. There's Justice, Five of Pentacles and Knight of Wands, which is moving away from this connection because of the Aquarius. You are taken away your energy from this connection. You are in your Empress mode. You don't give a damn about anything anymore. You didn't believe them when they left you in Ten of Wands. Totally, very. They're manifesting. You are manifesting something for yourself. You want to be strong in yourself, and this connection is not fulfilling what you want. So you're working on yourself, and there's divine helping you out in this and moving you get away from this connection. This is, you want to just move away, and they are also not going to work. This connection is not very promising, and you have taken up your power and you're feeling good in this power. You have manifested that whichever it goes, I am not losing myself in this connection and I am taking away my power. That which was weighing too heavy on your shoulders, and it was like too burdening for you. It was which made you feel in this Five of Pentacles energy, and you don't want to go there again. You are taking back your energy, maybe you are just leaving them, and the divine is helping you in this. The Justice card is helping you in bringing yourself together and taking up that strength to move away from this connection. You don't want to work further in this, and they are also moving away, but they are equally, they don't, there is no future in this connection. They will like to just go around with you, but there's no, I don't see any future, and you are ready to take away your, maybe they are ready to, maybe that is also possible, that they are moving away from you, and but you are ready. I think very strongly this is your energy. You're very strong willed. Like the Empress energy tells me that you're very strong willed, and now you are like, you have got your closure in this. You're going to get your closure in this, which you were waiting, which was weighing you very heavy, and which was just not letting you move further to what your goals are, and it was like a hindrance towards your goals, and you want a closure, and which is you're getting. Surrender stress. Take a few deep breaths and exhale the tension you have built up in your body. Let the stress go as you come back to your center. Coming back to your center is the Empress energy. You are not in this like pulling and pushing energy, or burdening yourself and just torturing yourself to death that, oh, why are not things working out? No, you don't want them to work out anymore. You want a clear-cut answer, and which is coming. And you are ready to take up that energy. You are not scared anymore. There's no fear now. The Justice, the divine is helping you out in this. Now you are not going to be stuck in this energy anymore. You're going to get your justice, which you're ready. I can feel your energy very strong. Yes, you're very strong right now, and you like anything comes which nothing can break me anymore. I am in my power. Aquarius, I can feel that you're very much into your power. The union of heart, the love connection defies explanation. A love connection defies explanation. This is something which is coming forward towards you. When you acquire this Empress energy, a love connection is coming, which will defy everything, all your beliefs, whatever you thought before. Oh, this is my soulmate, why I had to live without them, or why is this happening to me? No, there is something new coming towards you, which is going to answer everything what you have questioned before. Okay, Aquarius, this was your reading. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.